In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly account. Calendly is a powerful tool that helps you streamline your scheduling process by letting others easily book appointments with you. First, we're going to open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, it's as simple as typing Calendly sign up into the search bar and hitting enter. The search will bring up a list of results, and what you're looking for is the official Calendly website. Click on the result that takes you directly to the sign up for Calendly page. Once you're on this page, you'll notice various options to sign up, but for simplicity, we're going to choose continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account credentials, making the sign up process fast and secure. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Otherwise, it's just a matter of selecting the Gmail account you want to use with Calendly. After selecting your Gmail account, Calendly will ask you to grant certain permissions for it to function properly, including access to your calendar. This step is crucial as it allows Calendly to sync with your calendar and avoid scheduling conflicts. Don't worry, Calendly takes privacy seriously and only accesses the information necessary for scheduling appointments. Once you're comfortable, click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll land on a page where you fill out some details. This typically involves confirming your name and basic information about your profession or the nature of your scheduling needs. This information helps tailor your Calendly experience and creates a more personalized scheduling page. Once you've filled out this form, click Next to continue. On the following screens, you may see options you can skip for now, like setting up availability or linking other calendars. Since we're focused on getting your account set up quickly, you can just click Next through these screens. Finally, you'll reach a page prompting you to finalize the settings. You'll have options to refine your time zone, availability preferences, and other settings later on if needed. For now, click on Continue to wrap up your account creation process. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Calendly account. You can now explore various features offered by Calendly, like setting up event types, sharing your scheduling link, and customizing your profile to better fit your scheduling needs. Enjoy your newfound scheduling efficiency with Calendly.